This drop donut was very delicious, easy to make, and everyone fell in love with it. So I decided to bring you the recipe. I know very well that you will love it as well. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome. We do easy recipes, and if you're interested, do not forget to join the family by subscribing or following for more videos. It is free. Okay, so I have my 3.5 cups of soy milk. I've added my 3 tablespoons of butter, so I melted it. Okay, now I will add my 3 eggs, but I will be adding it one after the other. Happy new month to everyone and my returning subscribers and followers. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others. Like this video for me, and please leave me a comment. I do appreciate your time today and any other day that you've been here. Thank you so much. So I will mix it very well until it becomes uniform, and before we add the next ingredient. How is your day going? I hope you are doing well and I hope you are preparing for the Christmas. This Christmas, maybe I will be coming to your house, so be ready for me. I hope I'm invited. I've added my vanilla, and that will be a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it very well until it becomes uniform. You don't want to see different colors. Okay, it should be a uniform. Now I'll go ahead and add my sugar. That is 1/2 cup of sugar. You can add it according to your taste. Okay, yes, but this was perfect. You know, you don't have to eat a lot of sugar. Now I'll go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. That wasn't Maggi cube. It is salt. It is called pink salt. Okay, now I've added my all-purpose flour, and that was about 7 cups or 8 cups. Okay, please, I'm very sorry, I film in bulk, and whenever I'm filming I try to talk so that the measurements will not escape me. But the problem here was that I muted the video before I transferred it to the phone that I'm supposed to do the voiceover on. I mean this one. So I was confused and I don't remember it. So that was 7 or 8 cups. I'm very sorry. And I added a tablespoon of baking powder. But please increase the baking powder for me. Make it 2 tablespoons rather. Okay, and I've added a tablespoon of nutmeg, and that is what I'm mixing now. We want to mix it until it is uniform. Thank you so much for your understanding. Have you subscribed or followed? If not, can you do so for me? It is free, as I said earlier. Please do so for me, and please do not forget to share to others. Leave me a comment, like the video for me. Thank you so much. Now we are done. We'll go ahead and fry our donut. I fried the first batch and Daddy sent it to work, so let's continue. Thank you so much. In this Christmas, oh my goodness, the kids will love it and they are going to enjoy it as well. Thank you so much once again for watching till this time. I do appreciate it. So you can use your ice cream scooper, or I don't know how you call it. Okay, the one you use to scoop the ice cream. Okay, you can use it to drop the donut, and that is also going to help you. Now look at that, so beautiful, and this was very delicious. Thank you once again. Take good care of yourself. Enjoy your new month, and also see you in the next video. Remember to take good care of yourself, and remember to love yourself first. Till we meet again, see you in the next video. I love you.